So by default, we are supposed to show these fields. So appointment date as one thing and date of birth. So appointment date, it should be showing in the drop down mode and date of birth in the full calendar mode. So let us check for what is it asking for appointment date, appointment time. Okay. So appointment time. So it will be showing 12 hours. Okay. And the next drop down has to show like all 60 minutes. So from 0 to 59, it should be showing up. And in the third drop down, it is showing like AM, PM. So how to get my date time field showing for only time, that too in the drop down mode. And the second one, it is talking about date of birth. So date of birth, it should be showing in the full calendar mode, and it has to show like 100 years. If it is like 2023 as the current time or server year, it should show from 1923 to 2123, next 100 years.